active part, not just helping these violent extremist groups, but also in actual combat. And this is a worrying trend. There are many Kenyan girls that have been recruited by the terrorist organizations. There are many Kenyan women that have been recruited by the violent extremist groups who have actually joined some of these groups in Somalia, in Libya, in Iraq, and in Syria. Unfortunately, most of the times when we are talking about violent extremism, when we are talking about the returnees that are coming back into the country, we are focusing only on the male recruits. We are only focusing on men. And even when we are talking about prevention of violent extremism, we are only focusing on imams. We are only looking at clerics, as if those are the people who really understand, or rather only understand, the challenge of violent extremism. But Muslim women, our own mothers, wives, really understand these issues. They are the ones who spend a lot of time with the children and the youth. And a lot of times we don't capture that. And the programs that then come into being or are discussed or are implemented rarely focus on the women. And we hope that the survey that we've done will then trigger more action or more interest in working with in particular, the women who are in the frontline counties where the problem of violent extremism has gained root. Because the Horn Institute is a fairly new organization, I want to introduce to you what the Horn Institute is. And it is an